Hey there, I'm reviewing the Slowtown women's puffer jacket, a perfect choice for staying cozy during the winter months. The hooded design with faux fur trim adds a touch of elegance while providing extra warmth. The puffy construction ensures excellent insulation without feeling bulky. This jacket is lightweight, yet it keeps you warm even on the coldest days. The faux fur collar adds a luxurious touch and is soft to the touch, enhancing the overall comfort. The fit is flattering and true to size, making it easy to layer with sweaters or scarves. Whether you are running errands, heading to work, or enjoying outdoor activities, this jacket is both functional and stylish. The durable materials and high-quality construction make it a reliable addition to your winter wardrobe. Highly recommend it for anyone seeking a fashionable yet practical winter coat.